We are live. We are live, and we got a nice green healthy stream this morning. That's good. What you doing, Light? Nothing. Good morning, good morning. Good morning, Danny Downs, from North Carolina, United States of America. Good morning, Aramea Fishing from San Francisco Bay, America. Good morning, Mark Brown from Seattle, America. Bestong, mate. Hello, Brian and Lut. Hello. North of Port. Hello. Jean Valequez. Hello. Good morning. Good morning, Jeff Spicoli. Mystic Traveler from San Diego, California, America. Bruce. Hey, good morning, Bruce from Florida. Alberta, Canada. Good morning. Good morning. Ontario, Canada. Good morning. Las Vegas in the house. Good morning. Danny Downs. I have a beautiful friend. She lives in San Miguel, Philippines. I'm her wake-up clock every morning, and has been for 1 year now. Yeah. Little time change, a little time difference. But yeah, you're right. If you're back in the States now, it is 9 o'clock p.m. East Coast time. Here it's 9 o'clock a.m. Philippine time. Michelle Lay, what do you want us to bring for you when we come home there soon? I don't know. I can't think of anything, really. Can't think of anything to really need.
Bring America.
Yeah, Lut says, bring America. My Popeye's chicken. Morning, Iggy. Hello from Ohio. Wam checking in. Hello from Australia. Canada. Groover. Did you get your new car yet? No, we did not get our new car yet, Randy. First of all, I need to sell the Kia. I have somebody coming Saturday to look at the Kia and checking it out. Plus, we have a couple other leads that we're trying to go with and stuff. So I have to get rid of that first before I don't want two cars. We're also going up to the bank today. Talk to them about how to get the loan. The loan through the bank. So it's just a slow process right now. Tomorrow I got to take the car in, get that little front end where it was scratched up a little bit, and get that cleaned up before I show it. But yeah, that's where it stands right now. We're leaning towards the Honda City. We like the car. Like I said in the past videos, everything that we kind of want, kind of need. I don't want, just like, I guess you could say kind of like what that has to offer. Plus, you know what? The Honda dealer here they were the best as far as customer service. I mean, I look at customer service, as a thing that shows you, what kind of, salespeople they are and what kind of dealer they are. I mean, these guys were great. Any car, well, I mean, we were looking at the City, of course, but that dude sat down in there and explained everything to us, went over everything, showed us how everything worked. I mean, he went through it, and that was impressive. The fact that they, took the time like that instead of, oh, that's his car. I think it was where were we first? Honda. The Honda dealer. They just kind of opened up the door and, they didn't really do anything. They just sat there. Or I'm sorry, the Toyota dealer. Let's correct me. It was a Toyota dealer. Like, they just opened a door and didn't explain anything. But if it takes me a month to get rid of the car, that's fine, because I still want to see the new the Vios that's coming out, and they said next month they're coming it out. They're coming out with the new Vios 2019. So you know what, we kind of want to look at that one too, but it all depends on how quick we can get rid of the car. Can I get a full roll cage outside the car? No, you know what I need? I need like Kevlar built all around the car so nobody bangs into it. Buy a Ferrari. Buy the Ferrari. Yeah, that guy has that one Ferrari here. It is super nice. The only thing is, you know, it's a low car. They sit low, and see, there's so many speed bumps here. I mean, they're all over the place. And if your car sits low, guarantee you're going to bottom out when you go over these speed bumps. I see these low cars riding around here, and when they come up to these speed bumps, they hit it on an angle because they'll bottom out. I mean, I've even bottomed out on our car. You don't realize how big these speed bumps are and these dips are until you go over it. And there's a lot of them. You can be riding down the road, and they're just camouflaged so well inside the road that, man, you just hit them. And there's nothing you can do except for shake your head and remember where it was at and not do it again. Blind Al is looking for a car. I'm familiar with his channel, but I wasn't familiar, or I didn't know he was looking for a car. I'd get a donkey, yeah. You know what? There's horses here, but I haven't seen a donkey. Have I ever heard a snake? Nah. You know what? I've never seen a snake here except for like in a pet store. And when we were living down in the province in Mindanao, they said there were cobras around, but I've never seen one. And every time I would go out, I would look for them because I wanted to see a cobra in real life. Now, 9 times out of 10, snakes are going to take off away from you unless you pose a threat to them or you corner them. They're going to take off. But yeah, I was looking for a cobra when I was down there, and never seen one. I like Edward. I like personally Jeep, but wife would kill me. You know what? I owned Jeeps. Matter of fact, I owned 2 Jeeps in my life. Jeep CJ7. I think it was like an 85 or something like that. And then I owned another Jeep. I owned 2 Jeeps, and I liked them. They were great. But you know what? I don't ever think I ever seen a Jeep here. I really don't. There might be, but I don't know if I ever seen one. Another thing I've never seen here is like a Cadillac. I've never seen a Cadillac. Or like a Lincoln Town Car. Not to say that they're not here, but I personally have never seen one. Yeah, Mike, you're right. You want to get that close, I hope they do bite you. Check the sugar cane fields for cobras that catch the rats there. That's true. Am I going to buy... Look, they want to know if I'm going to buy you the lotion that you like in the mall for... How much was it? 4,000?
4,500.
It was 4,500. For what? How long did they say it would last?
A year.
Well, they said it would last up to a year. Am I going to buy it? Maybe. I don't know. When's her birthday?
The end of the year.
Yeah. Yeah, that, you know what, that Bruce, that Expedition, man, that was big, man. That was nice. I'd be afraid to drive it here. It's just so big. It was definitely nice though. Plus, man, you're gonna suck. The fuel is you're gonna suck so much fuel out of that. Subaru, you sell there. You didn't look. You know what? They do sell Subaru here, but up here in Angeles City, you don't see many of them. And then again, I mean, Subaru, from what I was told, they're a decent car also. Yeah, the Mustang did look awesome. That was actually 2017, he told me. So it must have been a leftover. So I don't know how much they wanted for that. Yeah, you know what, Mike? That Expedition, you could buy a house here with how much that Expedition cost. For real. Houses here, you can get lots and build houses, you know, depending on where you're at. But you can, I mean, you can buy a house here for that kind of money. Bead Window 07, thank you. Thank you for the contribution to the channel. Subarus are for lesbians. I don't know. Are they? Never heard of that. I don't know. Where does Subaru come out of? Isn't that out of is that an Australian car? Have you considered buying a wagon? Yeah. I should, you know, look, maybe we should get a Carabao and get a wagon. Yeah. You could get a Carabao and a wagon here, and you could ride it up the street, right, Lot? Could you ride it through Angeles? They probably wouldn't say anything to you. They probably wouldn't. I seen a dude. I've seen golf carts being driven around here. I've seen like four-wheelers being driven around here. I've seen like dune buggies, souped-up dune buggies riding around here. Oh, Subaru is Japanese. How do you tow vehicles when somebody breaks down, or do they fix it on the spot like how Mexicans do it? I know they do have tow trucks here. I would imagine a tow truck. Subaru is Korean. I don't know. Korean, Japanese, I really don't know. You know what, Iggy? You're right. I just got back my 500 pesos I gave the motorcycle girl. You know what? Somebody made a good point. They said, you know, people, of course you got people, I wouldn't have gave her a penny, I wouldn't have done this, you know, then the others, you know what, you did a good thing, you know, da-da-da-da. Either or, it's up to the person. But you know what, somebody made a good point. It's basically called a nuisance fee. You give them some money so they don't become a nuisance to you. Gordon Blanchard, thank you, Gordon. Thank you for the kind contribution to Philly in the Philippines channel. But yeah, they call it a nuisance fee. I guess that's what you could call it. People, oh, you know, one person said, you're just paying them because you're afraid they're going to come back and attack you and do this and that. No, I'm not. I'm not. Until, like I said, until somebody shows me the statistics out there where the retaliation for things like that, I don't believe it. A lot of times if people retaliate here, it's because of business transactions going wrong, involving a lot of money. But I've never heard or seen anybody come out and kill somebody or rob somebody or attack somebody over a small fender bender here. These fender benders, I call them fender benders, they happen all the time here. I mean, they're everywhere. I've talked to guys with cars, and yeah, I got hit by a trike, you know, hit the side of my car, kept going. You know, you hear it all the time, and they just take them into the body shops, and it's dirt cheap to have them, you know, sprayed and cleaned up. You ever give comments back on your comments? Fed up? You know what? No. You know what? I get so many comments on videos, but I do read everyone. I will remove people that make ugly comments. I will remove people that bash other people. I will remove people that, you know, attack other subscribers. Another thing too is if people put, you know, comments in another language, you know, like if it's in Tagalog, I always ask, look, you know, what's it say? And she tells me. But you have people that put comments in like Japanese and German and, you know, different language. I don't read it and I don't understand it. So I don't know what they're saying. So I just remove it just for the simple reason I don't know what the person is saying. Randy M, thank you so much for the kind contribution to Philly in the Philippines channel. How do you pay income taxes in the year in the Philippines? Mantis 1968. I pay income tax, TurboTax. That's how I pay it. I've always used TurboTax back in the States, and I use it here. Gaba Salagado. Gab Salagado. Greetings from Seattle. Greetings. All right, GR. See you later, GR. Justin, you know what? Everybody's doing their own thing here now. You know, occasionally, you know, here and there, might hang out with Tuk and his family doing something, but everybody's just kind of doing their own thing, you know, between school, guys working, you know, everybody's just, like I said, going about their own life. Bead Window 07, you're a disabled vet. I want to move to the Philippines or Vietnam. One thing I always tell people, visit before you decide. Some people might like, you know, some people like it, other people don't like it. So yeah, I would suggest visiting. Now there are people that have come straight over here, sold everything, came over here, and they're perfectly happy here. JG, thank you so much for the kind contribution to Philly in the Philippines. Yeah, fed up. Most vloggers staying busy. You have to find something to do here. You have to. If you don't, you'll get bored. I mean, then there are people here that, you know, they're perfectly fine sitting in their apartment, watching TV, being online, maybe going to the mall, not wanting to travel. They're perfectly fine with that, you know. And when you do something like that, you don't need a ton of money to live here. You know, people always say, how much do you need to live? It all depends on what you want to do. You can get a cheap air flight from the United States round trip to the Philippines. Yes, you can. I've been looking. I just occasionally look to check prices from here at Clark to Philadelphia. And yes, they are cheap. Hello, David Cartel. David Carter, my bad. Do you miss Philly cheesesteaks? Yes. Yes, I do. But I have found at least 2 places here that are pretty decent when it comes to cheesesteaks. What? It's up to you now, Lut.
Oh.
Come on over, Lut. Have a seat. Come on over and have a seat, Lut. Come on, Lut. There you go, buddy. Have a seat. Good luck.
Hello. I can't see my face right now. I need to wait. Yeah, I need to wait. Let's see, where did I start? Paid up. Magkano lang? Down there. I need to scroll there up because the comment was so fast. Wait a minute.
Is it, what?
Yeah. Where did you start, Paul? Vietnam is cheap, but the visa are a big problem. Oh yeah, paid up. Vietnam is cheap, but the visa are a big problem. Thailand, you can sign up for a Thai language call. Yeah, I think that's what I heard though. Vietnam is like you always like go somewhere every 3 months, I'm not sure. Unless Philippines are allowed to stay like a year, I think. Gordon. Can you read this? I can't read
Where?
this. What is it?
Where you at?
Where's my
Grover?
No, this one. 99 Matt River.
Hello
Hello
from Montreal,
Canada. Where's my glasses?
I don't know.
Oh my god, my eyes is... No, not this one. My glasses that I can see.
Oh, your reading glasses. I don't know. Where'd you put them?
Grover. Donnie tries an Asian travel agent. This usually get the best
No
price.
clue where you put them.
Wally Crow. Wally Crow, did you check out Robinson in San Fernando? It's across the road from SM. Well, Brian, don't check that out for it. But I've been in San Fernando, Robinson, because that's where I get my passport. In DFE down there. It's a big mall. Oh. Mike Rozaski. Hi, Lot. Hello, Mr. Mike. Gordon. Who's Gordon?
Gordon.
Yeah. Gordon Blanchard. Hi, Lot. Just ko pa. Si Gordon Blanchard said, "Hi, Lot, you got many donation for the lotion, scroll up."
Yeah.
No, actually, I changed my mind about it. I think 4,500 is a little bit expensive. So, I went to a department store and I buy another one. Which is also effective and it's very affordable. Which is this, Pao? Give me that one. This is the one. It's a charcoal clay mask. Because I've been looking for this for a couple of months now. Because I see this online and they said it's very effective. So this is my second time I try this. This is the replacement for the 1 year. It's 4,500. That's good. I think I already used it 2 times already, right? Oh no, it's 3. And I feel something different. James Colley. Hello po. Hello, James. You know, guard, it's okay if you know, if I can afford it, I'm not gonna push it. You know, there's a lot of way you can find cheaper than. Mike Goransky. Hello, hello, Mike. Danny Downs. Danny Downs. Oh, you have a pretty face. Oh, thank you so much. I always said to myself, I am always pretty because that's what my mom said. Moms always say you're pretty. Oh, red. Oh boy. Bed window? Sari-Sari. How much from Vegas to Manila? Over 2,000K? I'm not sure. I can't answer it. Because I never been Las Vegas. That's one of my places I would love to visit and play casino. But I think I'm not a good gambler. So
Where's that?
I'm not gonna go there.
Where's that one place?
Oh, I
over
still
here?
like to see Las Vegas. How beautiful is it?
Where's that one place?
Oh, Macau.
Macau, yeah.
Yeah. Jude and Pan. What's that? Go. This is Gued Miguel.
Where?
Gued Miguel is over here. We're the same like Gued Miguel. Over here is the same name with my brother. Too many hellos to you, Lot. Hello. Can I call you short Miguel? Gued Miguel. Right? Jason. Hello, everyone. Hello, Jason. What's up? Oh, that's my favorite words. What's up? That's my favorite words. What's up?
What's up? What's up?
Matthew?
Where?
Up?
Where? Thanks for all the great videos. Oh, you're
Oh,
welcome.
Thank you for watching it.
Yeah, thank you for watching.
Good, Miguel. Lot, do you know cream or Sara for the very dry skin? No. I don't know. I just only researched it. I need my glasses.
EH, you know what? These sunglasses, I found them in the mall here, and never seen them. Just that one time, and when I seen them, I bought them, and I haven't seen them since. We're getting a yellow stream, which means it's so-so.
Yeah.
I don't know where your glasses are at, but are they even here?
Jason, how are you doing? We're very fine. We're very fine this today, Mr. Jason. How about you? How are you doing over there? Volkswagen.
Volkswagen.
Volkswagen? Did you see Volkswagen? I don't see Volkswagen her.
I've seen older Volkswagen
Yeah,
Beetles.
it's kind of old.
Like Volkswagen Beetles, and they're in like mint shape. No rust on them, no nothing.
Mike Radzatsky. Stop na naman. Eric Jones.
Death Card. No, we haven't. I haven't been watching the World Cup. I only catch the outcome in the morning on the One Sports channel. Where'd you get your name Lut Lut from? Your
Over
photo. Yeah, look for your
over
glass.
there? And the ref.
Here, bud?
Yeah. Oh, sana.
Cobra. Let me see.
Like, red or green? Green nga, ako na.
Yeah, look for your glass.
I can find it.
No. All right. Right shot. Oh, you know what? EH, it says, looks like your glasses are over your right shoulder on the top shelf. And you know what, Lut?
Where?
They are. Good eye.
I did.
Good eye, man. Outstanding. It's funny because people watch, like, when they watch the videos, they'll see, like, the smallest details. I remember one time I was up at the mall, up at Jumbo Genera, and I was ordering a shawarma, and I caught it out of the corner of my eye. I caught a cockroach run, which is pretty normal around here, but somebody else in the video caught it too. "19 toes, and I'm going to have my right foot missing." How do you have 19 toes? Brian, could you pronounce Luisa? So he called her Lut Lut. Yeah, all right. Lut, they want to know how you got your nickname Lut Lut.
Oh, that's a nice question. That's a good question because I can't tell you how did my mother put me in Lut Lut. Well, I think Lut Lut is my grandfather. My grandfather is the one who named that for me. I think he based that in one like what's that called?
Ano yun?
Ano? Marlboro.
Marlboro.
He based that at like each family. Like he wants to name
How many?
from all these kind of grandkids with the same letter. Like me is Lut Lut, my sister is Elda. That everything needs to have L. And then the other daughter that he also different kind of name. But I'm not sure where did he get it. Why did he do that?
It's like a nickname.
Yeah, it's kind of nickname. That's
Like
my
Bing
nickname
Bing.
for. Next time when I see my grandfather next year, hopefully if I can able to visit there in Siargao, I would ask them, hey, somebody asked me, why they call me like this? Si Tim Foster for Arkansas.
Arkansas.
Oh.
Arkansas.
Arkansas.
Oh, you're welcome. You know what? Here's the thing also, too, with the vehicles here. they only carry certain models. I was talking to the guy, the salesman at the Mitsubishi dealer, and he said the only reason they carry those types of models and don't carry others is because the owners buy the vehicles outright and then put them on the floor. So maybe if, you know, like back in the States, man, you got acres of new cars, literally acres of new cars. But here, from what he was telling me, the owner buys the vehicles outright and sells them. I don't know if that's just on imports or what, but that's what he was telling me.
Ooh, I'm sleepy. Menzav, California.
Nicholas, about the Ford Ranger, that low price is for a 5-speed. I want automatic, and when you go automatic, it always, you know, the price goes up. But yeah, a lot of the lower price vehicles they're 5-speeds, and that's why they're cheaper. Do you sell coconut wine? No, we don't sell coconut wine.
That's only in province.
Yeah.
You know, Eric Jones, it's really hard to find coconut wine here. Because there's not a lot of coconut here. Which is in province, you can say that all day long.
Yeah. Yeah, coconut wine is big down in the province. Hello from Minnesota. Hello, Wade. Carl says it's hailing in Denver. What's it mean, lut lut?
What does it mean, lut lut? That's my nickname.
Yeah. Do you need a permit to sell beer? No, but you need
We have a barangay
store
permit.
Yeah, we have a barangay permit, and that allows us to sell.
Yeah, because there's certain income that you need to get before you can they allow you to you push to get BIR, which is Sari-Sari store is not considered for it because it's just Sari-Sari store.
Hello, Edgar from Los Angeles, California. Go Vikings. Am I limited to flying my drone? You know what? You can't fly it within so many meters of the airport. But it's like somebody said, you fly it with common sense here. Like my one first landlord said, he goes, fly it first, and if they yell at you, you tell them you didn't know. Pretty much how it works. You know, I know back in the States, if you do something illegal or you fly something illegal, they want to confiscate it from you. They want you to pay fine. Here you just kind of do it, and then after you do it, if nobody says anything, then it's okay. Somebody said something, you just say, I don't know, and then away you go. Need a mandatory shot of Liberty. I don't know where Liberty's at. Probably sleeping. Is marijuana legal there in the for medical use? No, but I think from what I'm reading online that they do want to make it legal, but it's just a matter of going through the Congress here. I didn't know that. No, we're not considered buying a pickup truck. Like I said, I mean, we got to watch our wallet. You know, they're nice and they're super. Like I like the Ford Ranger and everything, but we got to watch our wallet. You know, we're on a budget like other people are on budgets here.
Ano la? Ella, Sheila, Sheila, still ready to mingle.
Do you ever drink together? Yeah, we drink together. Not a lot. We're not big drinkers. That was Lot. Lut comes from the Bible. His wife was turned into a pillar of salt for disobeying God's orders. That was Lot. How do we compete with other Sari-Sari stores? I don't know. You really don't compete. They're just here. I mean, Some offer food out of their stores. I don't know. I mean, usually when you go to one Sari-Sari store, like they all kind of sell the same thing. Maybe one or two different things different, but the basics are at every Sari-Sari store here. Kumusta ka, Sheila? 500 for a car a month is crazy. You're right, it is, and I won't pay that.
Kumusta, Sheila? Sheila is okay.
Ah,
Fine.
Sheila's
See?
here, but she's leaving now.
Yeah, she needs to cook egg. Bye-bye.
See ya. She's got to cook an egg.
Yeah.
What's the drinking age here? 18 or 21? 18. Yeah, 18.
Yeah, 18, but they don't follow that. Believe me.
Mike, contact me through Philly in the Philippines Facebook page, and I will give you the address there. Are you still thinking about expanding your
supermarket?
Yeah, eventually.
Eventually, but we still think about it. It's not think. I'm still like saving on it. Okay, I'm still saving on it. Takes time too. I wanna be success like little by little. I'm not hurry. Yay. Really.
Richard Burke. Hello, Brian, and this is Richard and Marisol from Florida. Tell your wife and daughter we say hello. I think a Toyota would be the best bet.
Where the hell is Revel? Do you need an appointment for passport? Yes, it is. You change that one and you need to get appointment for passport. You need to do it 1 month before or 2 months before your passport expired, I think. Because that's what I do. Because usually it's really hard to get the slot. Because time you get the slot is really, really hard when you want to get slot to have an appointment. Ano ho yan? Sige po. Lagay na lang dyan. Because before you can go like first come first serve, but right now you need to get the appointment. Dennis McFarland, hello from Colebrook, California. Eric Jones. Eric Jones, you never get any problems from the other vendors. Real talk. Some of them is not really good, some is okay. Pat Batu Mary. Hi love watching your video, watching from Houston, Texas, USA. Hello Houston, Texas from Mr. Batu. Carl Avido, do you guys have... No. Carl Avido, do you have... No, we don't. Because it's only Sari-Sari store and we don't... My Sari-Sari store don't get enough money to allow... to push me to get a BIR. So we don't need to. Now, if you have a BIR, it means like came from a BIR's Bureau... I forgot what's BIR.
BIR.
Yeah, if you have that, you are allowed to pay taxes. We are not allowed to pay taxes because we only paid rent. The owner of this apartment is the one who paid taxes every year. Gordon Blackford, I would buy a t-shirt with Pili in the Philippines logo. Yeah, that's cool, huh?
What's it saying?
Gordon Blackford, he said he will buy a t-shirt with the Pili in the Philippines logo. I said that's very cool, huh?
We were actually just talking about that the other day, because
Those days,
other people have done it. Here's the thing:
there's the things.
the shirt would be cheap to make, very cheap to make here. It'd be more expensive to ship it from the Philippines and ship it out of the Philippines than what the t-shirt's even worth. So it was a thought, but yeah, we're not planning to do that. Southern style. Can I come over and cook you some Southern style biscuits and gravy? Eric Jones, you can come over anytime. My door will always be open for you to come over and cook some Southern style biscuits and gravy. Anytime.
Oh, Bantongan, Vietnam, no embassy?
But how much up front for your new market you want? I don't know. Is he referring
I know
to your
how
grocery
much.
store?
Oh, yeah, I know. Pidap said how much do I need in front of my expanding? I'm not sure. Let's see. Because right now I'm still learning it. Like, I need to go I want to buy bucket, I want to buy book. So I'm still learning where should I buy that. Because you need to get that to the main dealer. Not to the grocery because they already take percentage of their profit too. So I need to do it in the dealer way. So I have the same price with them. Oh, Glenn, is it true about Philippines going to build Disneyland? That's the rumor. We don't know that yet.
Yeah, that's the rumor. They say they're building one here. Up in where? Tarlac?
Tarlac area.
Up towards Tarlac area. That's the rumor. So I don't know.
If that's the case, that would be great, huh?
Oh yeah, it's close. Very close. Would your YouTube money help pay for your new car? No, you know what? I don't ever base anything off of purchasing anything here or buying anything here off of YouTube because YouTube is sporadic. You know, you make some money, but you don't make a lot.
You never know.
Yeah, I mean, I don't base anything. I base it off of what my monthly pension is here, and if I can afford it.
Oh, ano yun sa akin? Ganun pa rin.
Yeah, Wally? In Clark? I don't know. You ever check into having a car shipped over there instead of buying one there? No, but from what I'm told, it costs a lot of money to ship any kind of vehicle here. Tattoos coming soon. What's the cost thereof? McFarlane, are you talking about the cost of tattoos? Check Teespring. Alright, I'll check into that. Yeah, Cole has 19 toes.
Hey, Ruben Narvas. Hello.
Oh, I don't know if painting the car a different color will remove the curse. Yeah, we've heard about the new Clark City. There's so much construction going on up in Clark. I haven't been up in there well, I mean, we go up there, we'll go up to the bank today, but up in the area where all that new construction is going on, I haven't been up there in a while.
Said OWM. Hello from the beaches of Virginia.
Honey Grace. Hannah Grace is at school.
Mickey. Hello, Miss Mickey Chihuahua.
Hello, Miss Mickey Chihuahua.
Thank you so much. He said, Mrs. Lotlot, maganda. Thank you. You are so very maganda too. Last time you came here, I would really was supposed to talk to you and say thank you so much for, what's that, piggy bank?
A little teddy bear.
Yeah, piggy bank. Actually, Hannah Grace put that in our table right now, and
she's filling them up with money. Do I like Jollibee spaghetti? No. I don't know. I just don't care for it. I can eat it, but I'm not going to go out of my way to get it. 19 was a typo. He's missing all 10 toes.
Elo Bermas. Earl Berm.
Earl O. B.
Massacre?
Massacre, yeah.
Massacre. Good morning, Brian and Lotlot. Massacre.
How is our daughter doing in school? She's doing good. I mean, last year she made honor rolls, and this year, I mean, she's doing good. It's the beginning of the year, and new grade, new teachers, everything like that, but she's doing good.
Oh, Michelle Lee, look, if you want to put mini grocery, you can go to the distributor office of certain product. They let you do consignment there. Well, Miss, is it Michael A?
Huh?
Michael A. Michael or Michelle? Thank you so much for that info. I will going to check that out.
You're right, Ricky. It tastes like SpaghettiOs. Do you like Air Supply, love? Look.
Do I like Air Supply? Yes, I do. That's my dad's favorite. Fred B. Hello from Vancouver, Canada. Mark Brown. Mark, have you done? No, we don't go to Enchanted Kingdom yet. I know that's in Laguna. I've been there before. I was a kid at the time.
Enchanted Kingdom?
Yes,
oh,
that's in Laguna.
Yeah, I thought it was in Manila.
No, that's in Laguna.
Oh.
Nicholas Coster. Oh, Nicholas! Coster! My God, that's in the Bodyguard. Look. You like ours? Yes, I do.
Alright, guys. We're going to wrap this one up. Like I said, I don't like to go, 45 minutes is good. Because people will come back and they'll rewatch and re-listen to the video. And, anything. I think when you get up like to an hour or so, at least with me, it kind of, I don't know, you kind of lose interest. So anyways, guys, thanks to all those that contributed to our channel. We appreciate it. And thanks for joining us. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for watching our videos. And we'll keep putting more videos out. Like I said, today we got to go to the bank and everything. So that's what we got to get ready to do now. So anyways, guys, thanks for all the support, and journey continues, and we'll see you tomorrow. Anything to say, Lut?
Huh.
Nothing?
See you next time.
All right, guys.